Hey guys, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you basic page numbering. There will be a separate one for advanced page numbering, but this is assuming you've created a document and you want to add page numbering to every page of your document. So what we're going to do is you've got your the lorem to your ipsum and all your text, all your everything set up, and you're just about ready to print, but you realize you need page numbers. So we're going to go up to Insert, and we're going to go to Page Number, and we can choose top of page on the left, top of page in the middle, top of page on the right, or we could choose bottom of page, left, middle, right. We'll do bottom of page in the middle, and there you go. You got page numbers on your document, and they're going to automatically generate. You can format them. If you select them and right click, you get a format page numbers. You could change the start number, for instance, so 10, 11, and you can there's other options in here we'll use in a separate video for advanced page numbering, but that's the basic gist of it. It's pretty simple. All you need to know really is where the tool is, and that is under Insert and then Page Number. Then you choose top of page, bottom of page, or page margins. There you go. You guys have a good day. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us, and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.